Hey, what's going on, people? We Want More Facts back again with a new video. In today's video, we'll look at 5 shocking tornadoes caught on camera. Now, all clips are used under fair use, and if you do like the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the video. Peace. In at number 5, now we have a man recording from a building. The tornado is not that powerful, but it's still a scary situation to be in.
Mamma mia, proprio qua, mamma mia che danni!
In at number 4, now we have a recording of a tornado just going over a whole neighbourhood. Good for the residents, the tornado does actually die down as it gets closer, but still has a devastating effect.
¡Uy, qué feo! Yo nunca Dios.
Oye, vámonos. Chingue su madre, si bien soy yo casas.
¡Ay, no, no, no!
Métanse al baño. Métanse al baño, métanse, no. Métanse allá al closet, métanse al closet. Métanse al closet, Silvia. Dios mío, que Dios nos cuide, Silvia. Cama, cama. Ya estamos aquí, Silvia, está tomando todo. Viene para acá. ¡Ey, cama! ¡Ey! ¡El vato, bájate! ¡Bájate, güey! ¡Bájate, güey!
Se hubiera metido aquí, man.
¿Se metieron? Silvia, métanse aquí, quédense. No se muevan de aquí. Ay, Dios mío, Silvia, está pasando por aquí, Silvia. ¿Ya pasó? No, llámala, se acaba. Ay, está el carro, Silvia, se mueve poquito, ya está pasando. Ya pasó. Ay, Dios mío. No está el celular porque ya me está hablando. No mames, Silvia, lo que hizo, Silvia.
In at number 3, now we see this tornado rip from the right of the screen, leaving massive destruction.
Going across the interstate. Close. It's hitting the interstate. Anybody have to turn? Nope. Hello, magic shot.
Number 2, now this one just comes completely out of nowhere. Huge gusts of winds nearly rip these cars completely off the road.
Я первая. Стой. А! Курва мать. Иисус Мария.
In at number 1, now the reason I like this clip because you see the tornado actually form and also build, and it does grow into a monster.
We're looking almost due west from down 149th Street.
Okay, it's going to cross the river momentarily, Chris. Let me know when you see that happen. Okay, this is going to, more than likely, it's going to stay going east here, so this is going to cross over the Canadian River. We're still just a few miles, what it looks like just north of Newcastle. Again, this is going to be just north of Newcastle within this. Looking at the velocity, look at the picture right there. This is tightening up. This rotation here, you can see this tornado. This is the early stages of this tornado right here. You can see it right here moving to the east. As we pan across here, you can see this coming in from Crickley and Bash.
Look at that.
Chance, I see you. We got it on
It's bad.
3 different people.
Okay, I'm right here by it.
Okay, we may be talking to you here in a little bit. Hang on.
Okay.
Now, as it continues to move
Windshield wipers, bro.
here, you can see a tornado right here. Now is a perfectly good time to make sure that you download the KOCO 5 Tornado app and the KOCO app as well. You can watch our streaming coverage as you go into your tornado shelter. Again, you can see this right here. This is going to be near Southwest 159th Street in May. Large tornado on the ground. Chris, give us your exact location right now.
We are right between Penn and May on 149th. We're looking just south of due west on 149th. It looks like it's south of 149th. Looks like it may be getting ready to come across the river right about now. It's north of that power plant along the river there.
And this is a very intense tornado. We have watched it go from just a very thin rope-like tornado to now what looks here debris flying in the air from the base. Damon.
Okay, that is a large tornado now moving into Cleveland County. This is a large tornado moving into Cleveland County. This is coming in from Chance Cold Iron. You can see what appears to be that debris. Looks like we're getting debris in there, and that tornado is getting even larger. That is a very large tornado. This is going to be moving in your direction, again, for western parts of Cleveland County there. Between Southwest 149th Street, Southwest 134th Street. We'll go south of 134th. That is an Oklahoma.
Oh, hit a house, hit a house.
Street and more. Chance Cold Iron. You're live on the phone right now. Go ahead, go.
Damon, this tornado's turned into a violent stovepipe. It just hit a house or a barn. We've got debris flying everywhere. It's a quarter-mile west of I-44 and the river. It's about a mile and a half west of the river. This is going to be, let me see here, 37. It should be coming up on 37, but it's violent now. We're in the high-end EF3 range on this tornado, and it's 37 where McDonald's is, and all the gas stations is just to the west, and it's doing damage, major damage. We're going to follow it here as it's going to cross I-44, but it's getting a lot larger. It's a couple hundred yards wide right now as we speak.
Chance, right, exactly where are you right now? Where are you?
I am Highway 37 and I-44. It just crossed Highway 37. and it is moving northeast up towards I-44.
Okay, Chance, where are you in comparison to the first Moore exit off of I-44, otherwise known as Southwest 149th Street? Are you near there?
We're 2 miles south of there. It just
Okay,
it just missed the Brahms and McDonald's at the Newcastle exit on Highway 37.
Okay, you're at the Newcastle exit, okay, along Highway 37 right there. That is getting ready, looks like it is going to be crossing over the Canadian River there. Okay, so
Damon, this thing is mean.
Chance, go ahead, go. What do you see?
Damon, people in Westmore need to be underground on this tornado. We have debris, large chunks of debris. Give me just 1 second. It's going to cross right over the bridge on I-44 and come in on 149th. I got you a view right here. It's going to pass right in front of me.
Okay, this is going to be a very large tornado.
We have large debris in the air. Here it is, Damon, right in front of me.
That are living in Westmore. If you're living along Southwest 149th Street, South Pennsylvania Avenue, Southwest 164th Street, Southwest 100...